What if you could buy a car today and know with pretty good certainty that it would still be on the road a quarter of a million miles from today? That's a dream, right? A car that just keeps going, saving you thousands in repair and replacement costs. Hey, it's LSF here today. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to turn that dream into a data-driven reality. We're diving deep into a massive study by the car search engine iSeeCars.com. They analyzed data from over 174 million vehicles to find out which brands built the longest lasting cars. The results are fascinating, a little surprising, and incredibly useful if you're in the market for your next vehicle. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which brands are the champions of longevity. Let's get into it. The big question iSeeCars wants to answer was, what is the percentage chance that a car from a specific brand will reach at least 250,000 miles? Now that's a high bar. For most of us, that's over 15 years of driving. It's a true test of cars' engineering, quality, and durability. Across the entire industry, the average chance for a car to hit that quarter-million-mile mark is just 4.8%. Keep that number in your head, 4.8%, because what's shocking is that out of the 32 major car brands, only 4 managed to score above that average. And they didn't just beat the average, they crushed it. Coming in number 4 is Acura, Honda's luxury division, with a 7.2% chance of its vehicles reaching 250,000 miles, and that's 1.5 times better than the industry average. In number 3, we have the legend itself, Honda. Honda cars have a chance of 10.8% chance of hitting that milestone. We all know someone with an old Civic or Accord that just refuses to quit. And this data proves that it's not a coincidence, it's solid engineering. That's more than double the industry average. Taking the silver medal is Lexus, Toyota's luxury brand, with an incredible 12.8% chance of meeting 250,000, and that's 2% higher than Honda. And the number 1 spot, the undisputed king of longevity, is Toyota. 17.8% of Toyotas are predicted to reach 250,000 miles. That is almost 4 times the industry average. It is just a league of its own. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about the recent news? Haven't Toyota and Lexus had more recalls lately? And that's a fair point. Many newer models have faced issues, but they tend to be software or electrical systems. We've seen software bugs causing problems with LCD panels, the nagging 12-volt battery issues, though that battery problem seems to be an issue across the industry as cars get more complex. But what this iSeeCars study really highlights is the core mechanical strengths. When it comes to the engine, the transmission, and the chassis, the thing that makes the car go and keep going for hundreds and thousands of miles, Toyota and Lexus seem to be the kings. These new tech teething problems are frustrating, but the fundamental mechanical reliability that earned them this top spot remains intact. Follow me on Instagram at LSFTvideos. You can see updates on my experience with the NX450H Plus, which may not be shown on any future videos. You can reach out to me via direct messaging if you have any questions on your Lexus. If you like this video, you can provide me feedback in the comments below, like this video, share it with your friends. This definitely will help with the YouTube algorithms. Press the subscribe button and bell icon and get notified when new videos show up. And lastly, if you want to support me further, you can provide me a super thanks Or visit my Amazon storefront before you purchase anything from Amazon, and or you can purchase products from the list on the items that I've been using with my vehicle or at home at no extra cost to you. And now let's continue with the video. So now we have the big four: Toyota, Lexus, Honda, and Acura. But what about everybody else? Let's break this down into the non-luxury and luxury categories because the story gets even more interesting. First, let's get to the non-luxury brands. The average for a non-luxury brand to hit 250,000 miles is 5.1%. And just like the overall list, only two brands go above that average, and that is Toyota and Honda by a massive margin. But who comes next? Third place comes to GMC for the non-luxury brand, and that's 4.6% chance. Right behind it, it's its sibling Chevrolet at 4.5%. So the American trucks and SUVs are showing some serious durability here. Rounding out the top 5 is Mazda with 3.6%. Now let's switch gears to the luxury market. The average for the luxury market to hit 250,000 miles is actually lower. It's just 3.2%. The study explains this is likely because luxury car owners tend to drive less. With that being said, 5 luxury brands managed to beat the average. We already know that the top 2 is Lexus and Acura in third place, and some of you may argue that this brand is not a luxury brand, and it's Tesla with a 4.6% chance. The highest ranking likely speaks to the core advantages of a simplified EV powertrain. With fewer moving parts, the potential for a very long life is high. And in fourth and fifth place, we see a return of the American luxury. Cadillac at 4.5% and Lincoln at 3.4%. So what is the big takeaway from all this data? Well, I want to add a personal thought here. For someone like me, I don't drive a lot. Reaching 250,000 miles, which is 400,000 kilometers, is honestly a dream for me. I typically keep my cars for around 15 years max, and by then I've only reached about 100,000 kilometers before I get bored and start looking for something new. Why does this study really even matter to someone who doesn't drive that much? And I think the real key is, for many of us, the value of a car that can at least drive 250,000 miles isn't about actually reaching that number. It's about what that capability represents during the time we do own it. It represents a car you can enjoy with fewer unexpected visits to the dealership or the repair shop. It means less hassle and more peace of mind. This study isn't just about finding a car that lasts forever. It's about finding a car that's dependable for how long you own that car. With that in mind, the conclusion is clear. If your priority is a hassle-free ownership experience, the data points out overwhelmingly to Toyota and Honda. And if you're in the market for a luxury vehicle, Lexus and Acura carry the same torch, with Tesla showing the durability promise of EVs. This study is an incredible, powerful tool. It cuts through the marketing and gives us a clear picture of reliability in the real world. So what do you think? Do these rankings surprise you? I don't think so. Does your own experience with these car brands match the data? Let me know about your story in the comments below. I'll love to read it and respond back to you. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.